They told you fufu is healthy. But what if I told you that the fufu you're eating today might actually be harming your body? Slowly, silently, every single day. For generations, traditional African food has been praised as some of the healthiest food on the planet. Natural, wholesome, and rich in nutrients. But modern food companies have changed the story. What was once a healing food has now become a hidden danger on your plate. And yes, I'm talking about fufu. Now don't get me wrong, fufu is delicious, it's comforting, and it holds deep cultural meaning. When made the traditional way with fresh, fermented cassava, it's packed with fiber and gut-friendly nutrients that your body actually needs. But here's the truth that many people don't know. The prepackaged fufu powders sold in most stores today are not the same as the real thing. They are stripped of fiber, loaded with chemical preservatives, and packed with additives, just to make them look nice and last longer on shelves. And guess what? These chemicals do more than preserve the product. They damage your body. They mess with your digestion. They spike your blood sugar levels. They force your body to pump out more insulin. They even make it harder for you to lose weight. Worst of all, they leave you constantly craving more, tricking your brain into thinking you're still hungry. Why? Because your body isn't getting the nutrients it's expecting. You're eating fufu, but it's not really fufu. Many of us have been unknowingly eating this artificial version for years. But here's the good news. There's a simple, powerful solution. Go back to the roots. Choose fresh cassava and learn how to make real, traditional fufu the way our ancestors did. And don't worry, we've got you covered. Watch our step-by-step video on Royal Kitchen to see exactly how to make fufu from cassava. No preservatives, no additives, just pure, wholesome African food the way it's meant to be. If you live abroad and can't easily get fresh cassava, don't give up. Look for fufu flour brands with just 1 or 2 ingredients. No chemicals, no unpronounceable nonsense. Better yet, ask your family back home to send you some. That way, you know exactly what you're eating. Remember, if the ingredient list looks like a science experiment, it's probably not food. Your health is worth more than convenience. If you care about your health, your family, and your food heritage like this video, share it with someone who eats fufu, and subscribe to Royal Kitchen for more real recipes that heal, not harm. Thank you for watching. Until next time, eat clean, live strong, and may God bless you richly.